So, hello ladies and gentlemen, this is day one of my greenhouse build, and I've already started working on the space where I'm going to put the greenhouse, and I've already done 3/4 of the job, and here we are. I've collected lots of hay, yes, that I'm going to use for composting. It's February the 17th, 2021, and as you can see, there's still snow on the ground, but we got to get the moving because I want to catch some early season crop and some late season crop. So I need to start sowing some seeds, and I need to start planting in the greenhouse. As you can tell, we're still in winter, but the job got to get done, so I'm going to get it done by the grace of God. But look, I'm prepared for the weather. I'm wearing some seal skin gloves which are very warm, and I've got some thermal shoes on, so that should keep me going, keep me warm and nice. I'm from a tropical country, and I'm not used to this kind of weather, and for the fact that in a tropical country, in my country, Jamaica, I've never seen anyone using a greenhouse before, because you don't need it. But we're in a different country, a different climate now, and we need to adapt to the weather. I need to adapt to the weather, and I need to learn different ways of growing stuff. Not like in Jamaica when I was growing up, you just plant things in the ground and it grows. We have to put the weather into in our plans when we are planning in this kind of cold climate, because the frost will kill your crops, and we don't want that. So I'm gonna get a greenhouse to get things going, so that when it warm up, we can get things outside and keep some things in the greenhouse as well. So stay with me. This is my greenhouse build day one, where I'm clearing the spot, and we'll see how it goes from there. Stay with me. If you are wondering, by the way, because I know some Romanians will be watching this video, if you're wondering why I'm using this tiny teeny thing, yeah, I don't know the name in Romanian, but I will learn it. It's because I haven't got the big one yet, but I'm going to get it. So hopefully sooner or later you will see me using the big one. But for the moment, this is working very well and it's doing the job, so I'm not complaining. Stick with me. This is Greenhouse Bill. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to day 2 of my greenhouse build, and as you can see, I've prepped all the things that I need to get the job done. These are all some reclaimed wood that has been left over from a previous job, but we are going to make the best of them and what we have. So I'm just using for this job square. Got a tape measure here, and I've got jigsaw, and if I need anything else, maybe hammer a few nails, some screws, and a drill maybe to get this job done. But just stay with me and see how this greenhouse build will go. Up straight, Tyrone.
done, guys. Thank you very much for the help. So, ladies and gentlemen, the greenhouse has been a lot of work because it's a DIY greenhouse, and I like this because I make it to my own specification. And now I've put the foil on, the plastic, and now I'm burying it in the ground so that the wind doesn't take it off. As you can see, it's an open tunnel at the moment, but I am working on that at the moment. We're going to put on the door as soon as I finish filling in the trenches. I'm going to put the door on. Let me just show you the garden, what is coming up here. Well, there's a seed bed that I made. There's some spinach there, some what you call these things again, radish, some herbs there. I think that's dill. Yeah, that's some dill. That's some onion over there, so that's the dill there. Dill, some radish, and some onion coming up. All this, that's weed. All that's weed between some onions. Yeah, I know I left it so too long. There's some carrots there, but I will sort that out. All this side, by the way, was filled with weed, but I've sorted that bit out, and I'm gonna go and sort out the rest of it. And here, some beautiful lettuce coming up, which I'm gonna start munching on them soon. In fact, I don't see why not. I can't get two of them and have a nice little chunk of it. Nice. I think I'll have myself a piece of spinach as well. Lovely. Beautiful. So, back to work. Oh, didn't show you the other seed beds. Yeah, spinach coming up, more lettuce, and more radishes. I forgot all what is planted here, but I've got them written down in a book with diagrams and everything, so I know how to find the information that I need. The spinaches are not that sweet. Usually you get a bitter tonguey taste, but that is sweet. Over here, I'll show you. That's the onion bed there. I know there are onions coming up, but obviously it needs a bit of weeding now. So that's going to be weeded out soon. And this is another seed bed. Some more radishes coming up here. As I said, I've labeled what I put there. I can't remember everything. And there's some more onion. So half of this bed is onion, and half of it is seed bed with lots of different vegetables coming up. And over there, we've cultivated and have it ready to plant some tomatoes and some peppers over there. Yeah, getting nice. We're getting there. A lot of work,